Don't make this mistake with your melon plants, or you could reduce production by over 80%. Do not prune off these lateral suckers. So I've been growing up this Chardonnay melon up a single string trellis. The reason why you see two strings is because there have been two plants. And down here, I was pruning off all these lateral stems. As we can see here, I would be pruning off right there, and then I would never get this flower cluster. But the problem is, I noticed very quickly on, and I don't want you to make this mistake. This is why I'm making this video, you know, and this channel really. I don't want you to make the same mistakes I do. Is that most of the female flowers came off of these lateral side shoots. So I realized that I was missing out on all the fruit. So as soon as it started getting, you know, 3 feet tall, I actually let these fruit continue to, you know, these side shoots to continue to grow. And look, we have been awesomely seen by, look at that, one melon there that's starting to grow. You got another one there. It looks like this one got fertilized. It looks like that one got fertilized. And you know, over here there's probably a couple more. Yeah, like right there. It's kind of hard to see right there. You know, it's just amazing. And there's more, you know, on these side shoots even further down. So, you know, if I had pruned all these off, maybe we would have gotten like one female flower all the way at the top here. As we can see, I need to trellis this up. So you can try and do that right now. But you know, I would have shorted myself. See, looks like we got a female flower right there. So I know I would have gotten this one hopefully, but if I had pruned off these side shoots, I would have never gotten these melons, which are already the size of golf balls. These just started growing too. And you know, they get about 1 to 2 pounds each. So unless you just want to grow one melon per plant, for whatever reason, trying to get like a jumbo one, I highly encourage you not to prune off all these side shoots, even though you are growing them up a single string trellis, because really this doesn't take up too much more room. I mean, what room is this taking up? It's still within like 1 square foot, even with 2 plants. It's still, if you're practicing square foot gardening, you know, just to make sure you manage well, and you'll have an abundant harvest of melons. I'm just you know, sharing this with you and hoping that you take this into consideration as well in your own garden, and hopefully you'll have an abundant harvest of melons as well. So I hope you liked this video and really got something out of it, and until I see you in the next video, I hope you subscribe, like, comment if you have any thoughts on this, and I'll see you in the next one.